The boat we're going to tour today is a 2013 Sea Ray 250 SLX bow rider. She has seen very light use. The boat's always been stored out of the water in a dry rack. She does not have bottom paint. She's also very well equipped with high dollar options such as a windlass, bow and cockpit covers, captain's choice through hull or through prop exhaust, and more. So later in this video I'll try to show you there's a cushion that comes across and fills this in for a sun pad. And as we step forward, you can see we've got L-shaped seating. You can tell the boat's always been covered because the vinyls are all in great shape. We have a cockpit wet bar off on the starboard side here. You can see we've got two individual helm seats that have flip-up thigh rise. Overview of the helm. Because the boat's been covered, even the cockpit carpets are in good shape. Close-up of the helm. Again, I don't see any sun fading. I don't know if you can see or not, but she's got 136 hours. Boat has trim tabs. There's a remote control for the stereo. Panning around, obviously, again, that helm seat with the flip-up thigh rise. Back over to the cockpit wet bar. And coming around again to that L-shaped aft seating. This boat does show very well. There's our port side seat. Panning forward, here's our Sony stereo system. And just forward of that is the head compartment. Head compartment needs a little touch-up cleaning, but no damage. And now we can see the bow seating. You got nice high backrests. There's storage up underneath the bow on both sides. Again, the vinyls here are also in excellent condition. And forward here again, you can see we've got the windlass. If you've ever had a boat with the windlass, you're not going to want your next boat to be without. And I'm hoping that this video shows the overall condition of this boat, which I consider to be way above average, bordering on excellent. In the floor, there's a ski storage locker. Won't open that right now, but trust me, please, there is. I'm looking back. I'll run the hatch up the rest of the way. So again, we've got an electric hatch that gives you excellent access to the engine compartment. 350 mag MPI, rated at 300 horsepower, again 136 hours. Today's June 23rd, 2018. You can see over here, this is our captain's choice or Corsa exhaust system, where you can run it through hull or through prop. Nice fun toy to have. So she's got the digital throttle and shift assembly, which is an upgrade. It's wireless. Coming back, I'll just run that hatch lift back down. You don't have to see my hand, I guess, right? Stainless steel windshield. Of course, she's got the arch with the bimini. And I also mentioned that she does have bow and cockpit covers. So back here, this is cool. This seat will come out, which then gives you a complete walkthrough. Or, again, just wanted to show you there's storage on this side. And when we lift the starboard side cushion, which I just did, this cushion folds out. So you can see it's a one-handed operation to make that into a full sun pad. So again, 2013 Sea Ray 250 SLX. Lots of high dollar options. Recently reduced from $59,900 to $55,900. And this boat is located in Carolina Beach, North Carolina. Listing broker is Mike Knoll. 910-620-9903. That's 910-620-9903. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video of this impressive 250 SLX.